Hi, I'm Molly, and this is my wonderful model, Lily. And we are doing her hair for the showcase today. We're doing a middle part, low bun, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, we're gonna take our comb, you look right for us, like up, yeah, thanks. I take a comb straight from her nose to make sure her part's right in the middle, and just start making it straight, all the way at the top. Take her hair, brush it all back into a ponytail. She's got the thickest hair I've ever seen in my life. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna slick it back anyways. So I'm gonna be using this Got2b glue gel, but you can use any gel from like the dollar store or Shoppers or whatever you find, anything that'll slick it back. And I'm also gonna be using hairspray and combs and bobby pins and stuff like that. And make sure when you do your ponytail that you have an elastic, this is not a very good example because it's black, but you have an elastic in your hair that matches your hair color. Sometimes with a bun, it doesn't really matter that much because it's gonna be covered, especially if your hair is like a foot long. But try to make sure it matches as best you can. Once I put the gel in, the first layer of gel, I just take the comb and just try to make it all smooth as I can. You're probably also most likely gonna have to redo the ponytail once you get your gel and stuff on there. So.
Okay, I'm gonna twist. Okay, we're gonna curl it up. Hold that in place. I'll keep twisting. All the way up. Just tuck it in. Take the hair elastic. 2 over.
Put bobby pins in your hair, try to separate them before, and then take hair, scoop it, and then try to go to the back of the bun so it's really tight. What I do with a hairnet is whatever way the hair is going, so you can see her hair is going that way in the bun, I take it, go towards the way the hair is going, wrap it once, wrap it a second time, and see how there's this much excess left? I just keep going around. Then whatever the tail is, take a bobby pin, stick it through, and stretch it so you can tuck it in the back.